Hey, for sure. I just got paid for a soul. Reinvested in my music, that's for sure. Yeah. She went and text me on my phone. Hit it in the night, I'm shining, yeah, for sure. Low on my wrist, like 650 in case you know. I don't wanna pop, yeah, they just want me to blow. But if I pull up with it, yeah, I'm grinding, yeah, for sure. 103 hours in hourly checks, and I just need me some more. Everyone talking like they gotta flex, but I just told them chill, bro. All way out the window, don't let out the antidote. But you know I do not smoke, had to get up at it, bro. Yeah, many times and I go.
We are here. Overnight parts from Willie from Japan. I get 2 slave cylinders, one for me, one for CJ. Just got mine in, and I am building pressure. So relieved. Look, how tight that is. Yes, sir. So, Riley will be here in a minute. He'll give me a hand on bleeding that. I am going to probably pull out some cars, you know, and just start the day. The fams at the museum, I'll probably see them later. Right now, I'm gonna get the Subie done. I'm gonna get CJ Subie done, so we can cruise this weekend. There's his right there. Bang! There's both of his. Look, ooh, this one's crying, that one's chilling. But I'm gonna get to moving around some stuff. Get your junk filets merch. Psych. I'm not sponsored, but Redneck, if you want to sponsor me, I'll come be a mechanic. I know you need one and a filmer.
Hell yeah.
And then looking twice at that shit. Bro,
LEDs for $10.
Anyways, let's get back to the clips.
And these are OEM.
Cherry probably hasn't cleaned this shit out and God knows how long. So what does that mean? I'm going to text her and I'm going to tell her, where is my money for gas? This little is staying with me, Chad. And we are 2 months out. I booked 6 months ago, damn near. And he still hasn't. Alright, let's get it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You got new headlights and cleaned them, looking good.
Yeah, I just went in. We cleaned and waxed these headlights. Jeez, we're kind of close there, guys. Cleaned and waxed these headlights, and I got new bulbs. So I was searching on Marketplace. We all love Marketplace. Found some H11 bulbs for this guy from an Infinity that were brand new in the package for $10. So can't beat that at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. Here, should I put it on the camera and show them?
Nah, they know.
You know?
They know, but other words. Everything's together. Clutch, slave, lead. We're about to get this thing a start skis. Cold start. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Yep.
Yeah. for this moment. Did you hear about the fucking weather we're about to get today?
No.
Huh?
No.
Apparently, I saw a thing on Facebook. I thought it was a hoax thing, but it was saying something about Cheyenne, Wyoming, fucking apple-sized hail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know. After I saw that, I started looking into the weather service. Way too loud, dude. At least you're standing right behind a cold start like that. Holy shit.
You gotta move out the way.
Watch your fingers.
He's the new dad.
Yo, hat's yo.
Sophie, watch out.
Where's that coming from?
What's happened to the hat?
Oh, we can feel somewhere.
Oh, do you need a fix? Or you don't need a fix?
This? Oh, it's this right here.
Oh.
Yep.
Can now? Sophia, say cheese. Sophia, say cheese.
What's up? Pulled out all of them since they all run and drive. I should pull out the EG. Look at that lineup. That's a lineup. That's a lineup. So, what you doing? Huh? Why don't you go drive Uncle's car?
Why?
So you can drive your own Subie right next to brother. Close it hard. Open it. Close it hard. Thank you. That's much better. Look at that. Shee. That's a thummy. I'm gonna take a picture real quick, send it to the chat. Sold all the cars, gone. Got about 150K for them all. I'm gonna go get a GTR now. Psych. They just sitting over there. Alright. Just gonna sweep up in here. I gotta do a brake job here on this Kia Sorento. And then oil change too. I'm gonna knock it out real quick. It is 4:40. Probably start at 5 after I get it in here. And you wanna see how long it takes for me to get it done. Sheesh. Got the order a little different. Got the 3 Hondas hunting the Subies. Da-da, da-da. With the broken down Subie and a broken down Honda over here. Well, I got done with that van about 7:30. 2.5 hours. Drives good. We're gonna do power steering on it here soon when the customer gets some more money. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow, probably gonna weld up Frankie's exhaust. 3-inch titanium all the way back. That's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do a little bit of tweaking on this. Yeah, I just fixed my fuel return right here. It was leaking. So I fixed that right now. We all good to go. I still need to fix my speedometer thing, but I'm tired. It's 11. About to take my ass home. And we'll see you tomorrow.
He's having a pop right now. You gotta drive it for a second.
Yeah, they get one guy. Hell
The
yeah.
exhaust get all hot.
All hot in here. Alright, we're gonna bus. Look, is you going to McDonald's still?
Probably after. I'll probably cruise to Manbrook, chill there for a second.
Okay.
Yeah. TC Cash. This is for number 2. We about the business. Young Bridget. Let's go.
Watch I'm blowing, illuminate on my path. People really hate it, lane, it really last. Pull up on the game, I switch it, then I pass. Everybody wanna go pivot, but then we gas. Too much for the air, yeah. Just begins to be here, When I'm living so clear, you know what? How you see me, I'm up in the mirror. Nah, I am never behind, I went to see before. They acting like they were right, but now I just going real for it. You know what I'm going, you for this every night. I'm trying to get money, trying to get a flow. And all these little lame bitch ass hoes wanna get me down low on my love for show. Catch me up in the green room, yeah, I've been chillin' backstage. And how come when they walk up to me, I don't see nothing expressionless faces? I think you out of your place. Let me just teach you something real quick.
Yeah. God damn.
Doesn't even compare to my little engine.
Oh, that was fun. I was like, I gotta yank this fool once before we go.
Then you keep all in this time fades, it comes back and we for the come up. They wanna get back with the energy right now. I'm telling them all to just run out like
Illuminate up in this bitch right here. I'm calling the shots and I'm making them tear. Diamond is climbing the ladder, it's near. Unstoppable, reaching the tip of the spear. All these bitches, they living in fear. Hop in a jet and bust out a leer. Asking myself if I keep working hard, then I will see the bands in the near. Yeah, we bout the real shit. Yeah, you bout the fake shit. Your bitches with me in the VIP section, you know we be keeping it too lit. I am the king and I know it. Switching my flow and I'm getting these hoes. And my baby mama, she be acting so cold and I can't be controlled and you won't ever fold. And I told you before, I illuminate bright and you can't cut the mic. Yeah, I'm hoping she tight, as tight as her baby daddy that's standing outside hoping for one more night. Oh, that's hurting you, right? This is unfortunate news to you. I've stolen your girl and given her pearl and making her twirl on sight. Yeah, I ain't about Skype. Yeah, face to face, safe to say, anyone in the way can catch a fade and make no mistake. This is icing on the cake. I'm living up life, I'm doing it right. The pullover up on my wrist is shining so bright.
don't let your life fade, cause when they keep calling, they'll tell you there's something, and then you'll keep all in this time fades, it comes back, and we for the come up. They wanna get back with the energy right now. I'm telling them all to just run out like.
Oh, that was a nice little cruise, little kickback cruise for Bday Roads. But damn, that hatch was eating tonight, boy. That black fox body got the yank on him. He gave me a dirty look too. That fool like looked over. He was like, I pulled up. He looked over like. And I was like, what the bah! And he hit it too, same time, and I yanked on him. Wish I got footage. I need to get me a 360. But tomorrow we're gonna weld up Frankie's exhaust. I gotta mess with the alignment a little bit on this. Gotta get the front bumper for this. Subies are good. Go figure that, right? The Subies are good. Go figure, CJ. And then get my ass home. It's pretty late. But man, Patch putting in work. About to take some weight out of it soon. But we'll see y'all mañana.